quality Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hubs by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Land Rover Defender hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Land Rover Defender wheel spacers in stock. Installed hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This Land Rover Defender wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Land Rover Defender wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Land Rover Defender wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Land Rover Defender wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Land Rover wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation goods to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These goods allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of accurately dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.